Okay, hello everyone. Because I wasn't able to find a video of someone descaling this kind of coffee machine, I was able to find the manual, so I will try to explain to you guys how to do the descaling of this coffee machine. First of all, I'm using this kind of descaler. It says that it needs 3 parts of water and 1 part of the solution of the descaler. I already have it here. So let's plug in the machine, turn it on. Place the tank in its place. Just a little trick, so okay, so we do not have an error for the water level being too low. But we have another red LED. Let's see what is it about. Okay, so 28. The coffee bean container is empty. No, it's not. Not at all. Let's try to turn it on again. Still red. This is weird. Okay. Now we do not have any kind of errors, so we can start the descaling process. And it says here, of course, never use vinegar. To descale the appliance, proceed as follow. Okay, I've mixed everything. Press the button 26 for at least 5 seconds. Okay, so this is the last button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, it turned red. Then, okay, we have to turn on the water flow. The appliance starts an automatic descaling cycle with pulses preset by the manufacturer and managed automatically by the appliance. Okay. At the end of the cycle, the flow of the descaling solution is shut off and the 5 buttons start flashing simultaneously. I think the 5 buttons are this over here. Okay, let's see how long it will take. Okay, so here we are. The water tank is empty. All the 5 LEDs are flashing, which indicates that the descaling process is over finally. Okay, now it says turn the knob of the hot water nozzle off. Okay, and now everything's back to normal. We just have to rinse the water tank and fill it with fresh water, and after that it says to empty it to 2/3, and that's it. So now we're gonna have to wash it and put some clean water in it. Okay, we're back with fresh water. You can see the first LED is still clipping. So now we just have to turn the water on. The red light is not on anymore. So this is a sign that we have water in the circuit. We just have to leave it run half, maybe more than half, and this is it. And the process ends here. So this LED over here is about water. When it flashes, it means it doesn't have enough water in the circuit. When it's fixed, when it's always on, it means it doesn't have enough water in the water tank. So we have to fill the water tank. But I will leave a link for the manual so you can have all the needed details. You can find everything here, all the buttons, everything. The water runs very well, and this is it.